Hey guys, Saksham, welcome back to another episode of Tech Tips. So today in episode 4, we're going to be taking a look at how to get rid of this side panel in Finder that appears, which is honestly really annoying if you don't like or if you like the Finder window to be really clean. And if you click on any of the folders, it just shows folder information. So the easiest way to get rid of this is a shortcut that you can press. So you can be in the Finder window wherever you see this bar or vertical line, and you're going to press Command Shift and P. As soon as you press that, the bar will go away and it will not come back up. If you want to bring that up, just put Command Shift P back again and it will be there, or just get rid of it again by using Command Shift P. So hope this video or quick tip helped you how to get rid of that side view if you really didn't want it to be there, or if it just came out of nowhere. And hope you like this video. If you did, maybe hit the like button. If you didn't, you can obviously press the dislike button. Press it twice, that's even better. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, hit the bell, that way you get notified. And I will see you guys next Thursday with another quick tech tip or tech tip episode 5, and hope you all have a wonderful day. I should have said hope you all have an amazing day.